Daddy, would you want to try it?
It sure is nice.
Do you want to try it?
I don't want to take my shoes off, but I'll put my hands in it.
Okay. With your whole hand, not just
Yeah.
your little finger.
Oh, that feels so cool. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, that feels great.
Yeah.
It feels like we're in a river.
Yeah.
Only it's in Maya's backyard.
I am actually staying in the river.
Yep. But if not, it's in Maya's house. It sure is nice to go swimming with the fishes.
I'm swimming. Wow.
And look at the fox. The fox is saying, "Yay! I want to go in the water too."
But it actually, the river will actually get really wet.
Yeah, we can't put the fox in there.
Yeah. Foxes don't really go in the water. They're like they're pretty good at making it wet. Whoa! Now I can walk for this.
Alessia, come on. You just cool off.
No!